In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable self-view on Zoom. If you've ever found yourself in a Zoom meeting and wished you could adjust your appearance or your background more effectively, self-view can be a very useful tool. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. You'll want to log in to your Zoom account using your credentials, so make sure you have those ready. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile icon. It is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will provide you with a drop-down menu of options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, click on your name. Doing this takes you to your account settings, where you can manage all sorts of configurations and preferences related to your Zoom activities. Once there, scan the options available and look for something labeled Web App. Click on it. This will guide you toward the section of settings that allows you to manage meetings and how they are displayed. After you've clicked on the web app, you should find yourself in the main navigation area for the Zoom app interface. Locate the Home tab next. It's essential to navigate through these sections to access the meeting options. Click on Home, which should redirect you to your dashboard, where you typically initiate or join meetings. On your home screen, you will see various options, including New Meeting. Click on this to start a fresh meeting session. Keep in mind that if you're just trying to test self-view, you don't have to invite anyone else to the meeting. Once the meeting window opens, look out for the control buttons at the bottom. Here is where you usually find options for muting your microphone, starting or stopping your video, and more. You will see a button labeled View. Clicking on View will bring up additional settings related to how you perceive this meeting on your screen. Finally, in this new menu, look for the option that says Show Self-View and select it. Once selected, your camera feed will be displayed on your screen, allowing you to see how others will see you in the meeting. Having this option enabled can be incredibly beneficial for adjusting your appearance, ensuring your background is professional, and most importantly, boosting your confidence during interactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled the self-view feature on Zoom. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your video conferencing experience, offering you more control and confidence in virtual meetings. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to check out other how-to videos in our series for more tips and tricks.